Shut up, Grandpa. Shut up forever.
Stay away from me.
Come on, buddy, where are you?
Cover me.
Oh, my face!
They left. Finally. I hope the others...
Run! Run! Nathan, I'm sorry. I had to go.
Dodge him.
Bye, bitch.
Yeah.
Bye, bitch.
See this shit. Hey, you see what I'm talking about? Okay, alright.
Turn that bitch off.
I'm trying to use it. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna have to turn it off like this.
Oh, someone's here.
I'm about to be. Oh, he catching up real fast. Dang, I got a good endurance. That was my fault. My dumb self decided to throw knives to throw the pick. Oh, because I don't have that. I wasted my knives for no reason.
God damn it! Freak him, run!
Where's she at?
I'm running! His bitch coming behind me!
Is he at the top of the thing? Top of the thing.
What is the thing? What's the thing?
She's going out. She's going out.
You no, I'm not. How
Like
you
the
know where I'm
movie?
going? You jump in this fucking well, call it a day.
Damn it, she went down the basement. Down the basement.
Good.
Good luck, good luck. I was gonna say, make sure you check
Rico, no!
Did you get that? Should I take you?
No, I didn't.
Did I
What?
overtake you?
No, you did not actually.
Okay. Okay.
Be Nathan, let's go feed Grandpa.
Okay. Okay, I need some
Eat
more.
his ass. I don't care.
Some more. Is it eat his ass?
Ain't nobody said nothing about eating. What is you on?
He said that.
Now you went too damn far. No, pause the game. You went too damn far because ain't nobody said nothing about eating no ass. Where you get that from?
I thought you said that.
No sign. But I know they're still around. Okay, it's open. Okay, help! Help me! Please!
I'll try to stab Grandpa or the other face. Oh!
That scared the fuck out of me.
Why she keep talking? Shut up!
They came up with a fucking strategy, bruh.
Oh!
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 How did that face didn't get that?
I'll be right back, yo. My power.
What?
Rick, hurry up! Hurry up!
I'm trying to.
Hurry up, use your power, use your power.
They're both over here, Rika. No.
No, I got him. 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 I got him.
Hurry up!
Like a 10 seconds to run. That's time Leatherface. Dad, I want y'all for my dinner. Pause.
You ain't going. No diddy. You
Yeah,
ain't
no
gonna
diddy.
get nothing for them. You just gonna get cockroaches on the plate.
Okay, no penalty for you then.
What, huh?
No, no tickets for you then.
Talking to y'all.
No, I mean, you are gonna get something on your plate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Better not be cockroaches. I don't like cockroaches. They're no different from walking sticks.
You say you like cockroaches?
Why would the hell would I say I like cockroaches?
I'm
Oh,
about to say.
I thought you
I
said
hate
you like
them.
cockroaches.
I hate them. I hate them.
I thought you said you like cockroaches.
No, I was about to tell you nasty.
This is one person. Have you seen those people who collect cockroaches, Rika?
Yeah, I seen that.
Like
And they
bitch,
nasty.
they could burn the hell. I don't give a damn.
Yo, Rico, what happened if one of your friends pranked you by playing fake cockroaches all over today?
We fighting.
Oh, Rika.
We fighting.
Unless they tell you, unless you make them buy you something like a game or expensive as purse or
I'm
something
burning
to make you
the house
even, make it
down.
even. That's
If
what I would
somebody
do.
collects cockroaches and comes into my house, I'm burning my house down. And I'm gonna be homeless. I don't care.
We're fighting. My friends are stupid enough to think they're gonna be able to play with me about some damn roaches. See what's gonna happen.
I'm burning their house down. I'm burning.
I promise you it's gonna be a fight.
I'm gonna burn them down. That's what I'm gonna do.
Like we could like paranormal over roaches.
I don't like ghosts neither, but I'll take a ghost over a roach. About to play them games? Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I think I would have a ghost chasing after me than a roach. They are flying roaches. They are just.
Ugh. Don't talk about it. No.
Yeah, that's enough.
I don't even know.
We got 2 PC players and an Xbox player.
I can see Rika starting to like really loud.
No, because do I have to be close to her to whisper to Grandpa, or do I have to be close to Grandpa?
Yes.
Oh, okay, then no, never mind.
Okay.
Rika, it'll help.
Whisper in his ear.
Rika, it'll help us.
For real, it's gonna help us
Oh,
out.
fine. Hey, Grandpa. Ugh.
That man.
That man ain't shit.
Grandpa thinks that
He's just alive. He don't know
Grandpa
nothing.
thinks you're his wife, so we just
know.
need you to.
If he thought I was his wife, then he would leave me the money.
Good Johnny
He ain't got
said.
none.
He whispered.
What's Johnny? Maria's ability. You ain't need to know, bitch. I stabbed Grandpa's old ass.
We just stabbed him a couple of times to get his. They coming for me. This is fucked up.
Down. ass on some heels.
Oh!
Mika, don't, Shirley, do not go down there.